What if there was a way to earn $100 over and over again with no skill, no investment, and no experience? Well, $5 might look very small, but they add up very quickly, and you can expect to see your balance growing every day. In fact, there are many people worldwide who are currently making $100 up to $500 or more per day with this secret strategy, and they are just normal, average, everyday people. But they've taken up on this opportunity, on this brand new trend. Now, you're in luck because you've clicked on this video, and by watching this right now, you get to be one of those lucky few to learn about this secret strategy and be one step ahead of other people. In this quick video, I'll show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free demo as an example, and more importantly, some exclusive bonus tips to earn double money faster, so make sure to stay tuned and watch until the very end. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you the best and greatest platforms to be used to earn money real quick. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end, and before we get into this brand new content, we release new ways to earn money online daily, and make sure you finish watching the video and stay tuned whenever we drop a new method and be one of the first to have a chance to try it out. Leave a like and comment below. It will help us with the YouTube algorithm and we will reach more and more people. Now, before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to be notified whenever I upload a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so first up, I want you to go to this website right here. So basically, when you come onto this website, you can look for different photos and different pictures that you can download for free. Now, I want you to go and search for this keyword, which is black and white photos. I want you to take a look at all of these photos right here, which is in black and white. There are no colors in these photos, and this is exactly our opportunity to make money online using all of these black and white pictures right here. By the way, this website we're using is called pexels.com. Now, let's go into this website. So basically, on this website, you can colorize your black and white photos. So say for example, if your photo is in black and white, just like this one on the left section here, you can use this free website to turn these black and white photos into colored ones, and this right here can help you to make money online. So right here, when you scroll down below on this website, you can see over here, upload a black and white photo, and you can change a black and white photo just like this right here and turn it into a colored picture just like this, and then you can sell them for $5, $10, $20 just by doing that for free on this website. So I want to show you a quick demo on exactly how to do this. I'll show you a couple of websites where we can sell the service to other people and start making money. When you scroll down below, you want to click on this colorization factor where you can choose whatever you want here. Then click on this button to select the photos, which should be black and white. So I'll go ahead and click on this button right here, and I can now upload photos on this website, and remember, you can do this on your phone as well. So right now I'll select one of these photos and I'll begin to upload these black and white photos on this website, and as you can see, the original photo is actually a black and white photo. Now, this free website is pretty awesome. You can actually put colors on these photos, so as you can see here, now we can directly compare and you'll slowly see that these pictures are actually having colors from a black and white photo. This is really awesome. With just one click of a button, simply upload photos, and you can do this for free without any experience on this website. Now, the next thing that you want to do is download the results by clicking on this download here. Now, as you can see here, I started to download these photos on my computer, and again, you can do this on your phone. So real quick, I'll just click on these photos to show you. This is the end result, and I've successfully turned the black and white photos into colored ones, and I'm able to download them for free on this website, and I don't need to pay money at all. I don't even need to sign up for an account, so this is a really good opportunity for you. So just go ahead and download these pictures right here with just a few clicks of a button within a few seconds. So that's the first thing that you can do, which is actually coloring pictures using this website called hotpot.ai. And again, make sure you keep watching this video because I'll show you where you can make money online using the service and taking advantage of this website. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get back to the video. I'll show you a second opportunity that you can do with pictures. Say for example, this website right here, remove.bg. Basically on this website, you can do this for free and it's 100% automatic. On this website, you can remove the background of a photo. So say for example, this is your original picture with a girl and then behind her are trees and all the backgrounds. So once you use this software and this website right here, you can actually remove the background and leave just the girl and the guy right there. This is exactly how you can remove the backgrounds using this new opportunity. So now go back and click on this blue button right here to upload an image, and right here again, I'll just use this as a quick example. As you can see here, by just one click of a button, I've uploaded the original photo on remove.bg and this will automatically remove the background. Go ahead and click on this blue download button. As you can see, I can begin downloading this without even creating an account, without spending a single dime on this website. And again, you can do this on your computer or you can do it on your phone, it doesn't matter. Now I want to show you a couple of websites you can use to make money using those services. The first one is Fiverr.com. Once you come to this homepage, you can type in a keyword which is colorize photos, and then you want to press on the search button right here, and then you can come on to this page. You'll see different people from all over the world that are selling the service, and when I scroll down below, you can see that people are colorizing a black and white photo. Say for example this one. They colorized these black and white photos into colorful pictures. I think it's being charged $10 for doing that, and as you can see here, there are people who left a comment on these services. What this means is that people are actually buying these services. There are a lot of people from all over the world and they're making money using this opportunity for coloring the black and white photos, as you can see here. You can do the exact same thing using the Hotpot AI website which I showed you earlier. So say for example, the seller right here is offering his coloring services professionally, and all he does is just color the black and white photos into a colorful picture and he can sell it for a certain amount of money. So let me go on to the calculator, and as you can see here, $10, and there are 670 people buying the service from him. He's making $6,700. That's a very huge earning by coloring photos using a free website like this one right here. And you know what's even more amazing is that you can set up your own basic package or a standard package, which is $30, or even a premium package, which is $50. The earning opportunity is incredible, as you can see here, so I just want to show you how easy it is to find a way to make money online if you know the right way to do it. So if you want to sign up for a free account on Fiverr and start selling and making money online, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this Become a Seller, and then you're gonna come on to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Click on this green button right here to become a seller. Right here you can put in your email address and go ahead and click on this Continue button. So the second website I want to show you for more opportunities for you to earn money is peopleperhour.com. Now when you click on this search button, you can see here there are a lot of people selling different services on this website. Now I want you to type in a keyword which is background removal, and I want you to press on the search button, and as you can see here, there are people who are selling background removal services up to $35 just for removing a background, and that's exactly what we can do using the remove.bg website. As you can see here, it's very simple. Within a few seconds, with a couple of clicks, you can do this and start selling the service on this website. And when I scroll down below, you can see there are so many sellers who are making money using this opportunity, simply removing the background of photos, just like what I showed you earlier. Now, people are selling this service for $15, $25, $10, and even up to $40. So if you're just getting started, all you have to do is just charge for $5 and you can sell a lot of them. So for example, this service right here, background removal. But this guy is selling for this amount by just removing background for this many photos. Now, it seems that there are a lot of photos, but as you can see here, it's very simple. Just a few seconds and you can remove a background automatically without any experience. So that's the opportunity that I wanted to share with you that can help you make money online. So if you sign up for a free account on peopleperhour.com, go ahead and click on this one right here and then come over to this page where you can sign up for a free account. Make sure you choose this category, which is I want to work as a freelancer. And then click on this button right here and sign up with an email, and then right here you can put in your name, your email, and password and sign up for a free account. And that's exactly how you can use these websites, hotbot.ai and also remove.bg, to make money on Fiverr and also peopleperhour.com. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you take action. Don't let your mind control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. That's the end of this video. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is just like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.